Welcome to another Jack Tars Journeys. On this journey I've picked up a 98.5cc Tesco mower. I picked it up from the tip. I don't know if it's going to be any good. Let's go and take a look. So that's the little mower as it come in. It's just a plain basic one. That's your safety feature. So dead man's hand release or whatever they call it. It come with the basket. It doesn't look too dirty. I'm going to check the oil and then put a bit of fuel in, give it a pull and see whether we can get anything out of it. So the oil is down here. Let's have a look. Sorry if it goes out of focus every now and again. Let's have a look here. Well, that's got stacks of oil in it. So I think we can safely pull it over. I'll just check if it's got any fuel in it. I don't remember it having any in. Let's have a look. Oh. No, there's no fuel in it. So what I'll do is I'll put a couple of little bits of fuel in. Let's have a look a minute. Let's set this up here. Put the petrol cap back on. Right, let's give it a pull over and see if it does anything. Pump. Do a quick pull. Well, that's straight from the tip. Can you believe that? Someone's thrown that out. All it needs is a good clean up. I'll clean the filter. I might take the carb off and clean the carb on it. Anyway, that's one. Let's have a look at the filter. Well, the filter's a bit chatty. It's obviously been left for quite a while. I got some old petrol. I'll give that a bit of a clean off. It's got some. It's just been left sat there for a long time, I would hazard a guess. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't seem to be anything leaking or dripping. I think maybe it's lived past its usefulness for someone, but sometimes you get them and they work, and sometimes you got to play around with them. That one works, so a good clean up, a service. We'll get that one ready for the spring. Right, let's get the spanners, sockets, and whip this off. I don't know what size they are. Probably a 10 then. Let's have a look. 10. Oh, they're quite tight. I'll go and get me ratchet. I don't know if that's a 10mm bit. It's too big. Do I have an adapter? Not in there. Right, let me get a 10mm. Once a 10mm, will it go in? Yeah, it goes in. One. Just one off. The other one. As for that, I'll show you how quick that gets sprayed. Move all this out the way. Just some stove paint. Give it a bit of a shake. I'm out in the open, so I'm not overly concerned about the fumes, but you should take precautions. And that's him. He's sprayed. One coat will generally do it. I'll do the same now with the overhead valve cover. I'll just leave that somewhere to dry. Doesn't take long, half hour, that'll be back on. Right. quickly whip this off. Oops, a daisy. Spilled some oil, never mind. Mop them off quick. So rest that one there. It won't be so bad. Right. I'll just quickly spray this one up, put him on the desk for a little minute, and then we'll get them both back on. It shouldn't take too long. So, take my screwdriver out. So that's the little Tesco mower all sorted and gone. Thanks very much for watching. I have got some videos coming up. I've just got a new drone, one of these DJI Mini Pro 5, and I'm really new to it, but I will have some good footage of Plymouth Sound and the city centre and other things, especially where I've been working. I've been taking a bit of footage of that, of what I've been building, how I've been building it. So keep your eyes open, might just interest you. Thanks very much for watching, and if you can, like, subscribe and comment. Brilliant, thank you.